Contrary to popular belief, energy companies do not set their own rates. SDG&E cannot decide overnight to implement a new program and pass on the costs to our customers. Every 4 years, regulated energy companies like SDG&E are required by the California Public Utilities Commission, or CPUC, to file a multi-year budget proposal before the agency approves future rates. Known as the General Rate Case, or GRC, the proposal spells out a utility's forecasted expenses to operate, maintain, and build infrastructure needed to deliver clean, safe, and reliable service. This includes costs for a skilled labor force to provide 24/7 emergency response to restore power and stop natural gas leaks, the undergrounding of power lines to help protect homes and communities against utility-related wildfires, vehicles and equipment such as wires, pipes, poles, transformers, and substations, customer service improvements, and the deployment of innovative technologies to modernize the electric grid and empower an entirely new ecosystem of clean energy jobs. SDG&E's 2024 to 2027 GRC not only addresses customers' current needs, it also focuses on forward-looking priorities, such as California's goal to reach net zero by 2045, safeguarding energy reliability against growing climate threats, and building a 100% clean energy future. SDG&E filed our proposal last May, and it's currently pending review by the CPUC. Once a GRC is filed, the CPUC launches a lengthy public process to thoroughly vet the application. An administrative law judge is assigned to every GRC, and many interested stakeholders such as public interest advocates, consumer watchdogs, business associations, and environmental groups participate in the process by submitting comments. Utilities must provide thousands of pages of research to justify their budget request. After considering all the facts and testimony, the judge issues a proposed decision on the amount of revenue a utility can collect through rates to provide service. Then, the proposed decision goes before the entire commission for a public vote. The commissioners also consider the full body of evidence before making their final decision, which may be different from what the administrative law judge proposes. Ultimately, the purpose of a GRC and the obligation of the CPUC is to balance the interests of consumers and their utility by ensuring that a utility's expenses are justified, its rates for customers and rate of return for investors are reasonable. Once a GRC is completed, the results will be reflected in future rates. We know energy rates can be confusing, and we want to make sure we're being transparent with you. To help you better understand SDG&E's general rate case and what you get for the rates you pay, visit sdgeratesinfo.com. SDG&E. Always forward.